Yes, this is what it's about, lads. This is what it's about. Yes, this is like, this weather is just, I don't know what's going on, but it seems to be summer. When the weather's this good, man, how can you not go out for a ride, man? I've been waiting for a while. I've not been on the bike for like a few weeks. I went on holiday and stuff and it was freezing cold when I got back. But finally, the sun has come out, man. Probably only for like 3 days, but still, gotta make the most of it. You may have noticed, by the way, a little mod that I've done to the bike. I've tinted the speedometer, so hopefully you can't read what the speed is saying. I can just about see it, which is good, but it'll save me a lot of post-production time in editing if it's not visible on the camera, so hopefully it works out. But yeah, man, just this weather just turned out to be pretty epic, so instead of just going straight home from work, I've decided to just pop a little trip down to Lyme Park. Pretty cool place, just on the edge of the Peak District, and I've never really been there before, so I thought if there's a day that I'm gonna go there, it's gonna be today, man. It's gonna be today. So here we are, heading there now.
Go! Alright, that is that 125?
600, man.
Yeah. 4 o'clock. Oh yeah, to the pipe there.
2 pipes, man.
I thought it was a 125, until you see that there.
125s don't sound like this, man, trust me.
Yeah, man.
This is a bit of a dodgy road because you can't really see what's coming around the corner. It's supposed to fit 2 cars down here. Whoa, train tracks. Whoa, check this place out, man. Gonna have to get an epic picture there on the way back. If this was a one-way road, this would be pretty epic. But it's not. Welcome to Lyme Park. This is the spot, gents. Check this place out. Oh, there's the train track. Oh, I hate these things. Alright, so the main part of the park was closed, but it's alright because this whole place is so nice. So I'm just going to chill here for a bit, just taking the views, and yeah.
A few moments later.
This is the madness of city centre. Crazy, man, there's traffic. Is it like this every day? Yeah. All right, man. Gents, there we go. Just a little day out messing around, back on the bike. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys very shortly. Take care.